If you're looking for a resume template na magagamit mo at ATS friendly, OMG, please lang, ATS friendly. Huwag kayong gagamit na may mga design or whatever. At saka hindi na kailangan po ng picture sa resume ngayon. Again, kailangan it's ATS friendly. Madali siyang basahin. I do have free downloadable templates for you. All you have to do is go to the link in my bio and then scroll down kayo, tapos makikita nyo itong image na ito. This image, so it says easy and ready to use template resumes, instant download. I-click nyo lang yan and then mapupunta na kayo doon sa downloadable templates. Meron po tayo ng mga templates na for may work experience, fresh grad with no work experience, or walang experience pero hindi nakapagtapos ng school. So we have a total of 4 available downloadable templates na ATS friendly na you can use. Sobrang dali lang i-complete nito at sobrang dali lang i-download.